morning, my name is Nesta. I'm your senior cabin crew today. Together with Miss Christina in the front and Olympia and Mantina in the back of the cabin, it's our pleasure to welcome you all on board this British Airways Euroflyer flight to Malta operated by Avion Express. You're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy, I would like to inform on specific allergens. On today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will offer your choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveler, we will shortly commence our Speedbird Cafe onboard service. The crew will shortly pass through the cabin with a selection of drinks and snacks available for purchase. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by buy-on-board purchases. Please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please note that we do not accept cash as a payment. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything that me or my team can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.